let's create some storage for your cutting dies together. I bought this display book. It's an A5 from Officeworks, and so using an A4 template, I'm going to create this two-sided page. In this case, I'm using the word floral because I actually have a few floral die cuts, so I will use that and make it look like this two sides, so trying to align them nicely. I didn't use any other special format for it, just eyeballed it really, and then I just sent to print. So as you can see, this is you can actually place a couple of die cuts on each page depending on the designs that you've got. In for this part of the tutorial, I'm showing you this shapes page. So I just folded it in half and added, so that's the one I've got. I only have one, and I'm going to use this piece of self-adhesive magnet to keep my die in place. Very simple. And if your dies are bigger or you have more parts, so you can just add more to it. If you don't know where to find those, I will also leave the link in the description. And I fell there, but just the way I'm holding the page, it will keep it in place, so you can rest assured that it really stays there. That's my florals that I've done. For this part, I'm going to make a sign, a little label for it. So I did remove the sticker and I went on my Cricut Design app, and I chose the Goodnight font, and I will create an offset so it just looks nicer. Weld it first so your letters will cut together, not one by one. And when you do the offset, sometimes there's a little space. I just go to contour and delete that. For the purpose of just eyeball, I have an idea how it will look like. I just change the colors, but they're not the colors I will actually use. I used the white for the words and aquamarine for the offset. And after I made that, I decided that I wanted an extra offset on top of that, so I could make it with using clear sticker, and so covering the small writing, which, as you may know, it's easy to it can come off easier than the rest. So I clean my front page of the display book, and I use a cutting mat to have under to guide my sticking of the decal, and then I bold the extra offset piece in the sticker, so it's all safe and secure. I really like that part. And now with daylight, that's how it's looking. So I don't have a lot, and these are just dies that I bought off several sellers from AliExpress, and I have plenty of room for more. Really nice, handy little booklet. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and I can't wait to see what you create, and you can just make it even better. Alright, thank you for watching.